In this video, I will show you how to fix the GLFW error 65542 on Minecraft. So let's jump straight into it. So if you are trying to play Minecraft and you're getting an error message like this, then follow along with me for some steps to fix this problem. So normally the reason this happens is due to the file being corrupted, and what you're going to want to do is go ahead and re-download the file. So what you're going to want to do is open up a new internet browser, come across to google.com, and in the Google search box go ahead and type DLL files. Now what you want to do is come across to the official website, which is this one here, which is dll-files.com. From here, if you look towards the top, you have a search box. So what you're going to want to do is click onto the search box and you want to type open GL32 and then press enter. So that's going to bring up some search results. What you're going to want to do is download this one, which is opengl32.dll. So just go ahead and click onto the file. If it does come up with any ads, just go ahead and cross those off. And then what you're going to want to do from here is just scroll down and you're going to see the version to download. Now it's either going to be, you want to look for the architecture 64 or 32-bit. This depends on your PC. As you can see, we've got 32 here, and towards the top we got 64. So if you want to find out what architecture your PC is running, come down to the search icon in the bottom left hand corner and go ahead and type about this PC, and then go ahead and open up about your PC underneath best match. So this is going to take you across to a screen like this. Now you can see for myself underneath system type it says 64-bit, so we know we need the 64-bit version. So once you've gone ahead and found that, come back to the website and download the appropriate version, whether that's 32 or 64-bit. And what's going to happen, you can see it says your download will start. It's got a little countdown, then it's going to start downloading. Now mine's open like this. If you don't see it up here, again come down to your search icon in the bottom left hand corner, go ahead and type downloads, and then you can open up your downloads folder to locate the GL folder. Now what you're going to want to do from here is double click onto the folder, and you can see we've got the file here. So from here what you're going to want to do is come again down to your search icon, and this time you want to type this PC, and then open up this PC underneath best match. Now what you want to do is go into your C drive, then go into program files, and you want to find the Java folder, which is down here. So in here you might have a multitude of different versions of Java. You just want to select the most recent one. So if you look in date modified, you want to find the one that is the most up-to-date version, double click to go into the folder, and then you want to go into bin. From here you can see all the DLL files. So all you want to do is basically drag and drop this opengl32.dll file into here. And it might come up with a pop-up like this. If it does, just go ahead and press continue. And what it's going to do is go ahead and copy that into here. So once that's done, you can see we've now replaced the file. So what you can now do is just go ahead and try and launch Minecraft, see if that does fix the problem. Now, if that didn't work for you, the second thing you can try is updating your graphics cards, because sometimes having an out-of-date graphics card can also cause this problem to occur. To do that, come down to the bottom left-hand corner to your search icon, go ahead and type device manager. Underneath best match, open up the device manager. That's going to go ahead and open a screen like this. Now what you want to do from here is come to the display adapters and click onto the little arrow next to this. This is going to bring up your graphics card. So what you want to do is right click onto your graphics card, click onto update driver, and then go ahead and select search automatically for drivers. So you can see mine are all up to date, but if you do have any updates available, of course go ahead, update your drivers from here and restart your system. Once that's done, you should now be able to play Minecraft successfully. So I hope this tutorial did help you out today, and if it did, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.